Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we are at a train show this morning. We brought Rex along with his brand new engine that Darren 3D printed for him. And I pulled up Darren, Darren on the phone of my video. So I'm leaning over the banister. This is the downstairs. There's a whole nother area. We might find something good today. Look, a Q baby. I like this. So I wanted to show you a little close-up of Rex. He was only the third doll that I ever did a face-up on. I've thought about redoing his face, but I don't think I will. You know, this is Rex. That's how he looks. Darren made him this adorable little 3D print train to carry. I made his little top, and he has a train on the end of his beads. I love this boy. Like I said, I do not think I will change his face up. He has blue eyes all around, 3 different types, and I like them. Or 2 different types, that's right. These are all the same, and then the bright ones. I like a sidewards glance. So that's Rex, and he went to the train show and had a great time. And I want to show you what I got. And I say what I got because we went to the train show and I bought some things and Darren did not. Actually, he didn't find what he was looking for. I started my glitter train, and we'll show you that in a little bit. But I wanted a red caboose, and I walked in the door, and the first booth I went to, and I'm really glad I went ahead and bought, had not only what I was looking for, but check out the price. I was thrilled. And then they had this car, and I have another one just like it that I want to do a light blue, I hope I can find turquoise, glitter with the black glitter or the charcoal colored glitter on the coal. So I have 2 of these. When you see coal cars, you usually see more than once. And then what Darren was really proud that I found, in fact, I made a deal on all of it, of course, you know me. He had these there also, and Darren's like, you got a really good deal on there. I said, I must have, because I didn't pay that much. I made a deal on all of it. And it's round, and I think, isn't there straight in here too, Darren? Or is it just that roundish? No, they're straight. I got some straight, and I think this might be a full oval track. And then, look at the prices. Really, really, really good prices. So I got those, and then he had these little lights. Aren't they adorable? You hook these into your train, your electric train, and the lights are on. Did you start to say something?
I was just going to say, we didn't have switches in that big box we got of track the other day, so
Yeah,
yay.
yeah. And you had said, too, that that was a really good deal on them.
Fantastic price.
So I was looking around for good deals. I love, 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 love Christmas trains. I'm all about Christmas trains. They are my favorite. And MKT, that's the Katy Trail, so I wanted that. Here's some more Christmas. I have talked and talked and talked for the last 3 days. After the train show, we went to Kansas to visit Darren's aunt and uncle. We had such a lovely time there. But, oh my God, I've talked so much, my throat is sore. And then I got this caboose also, because once I glitter it, I can make it red. but I wanted that base for it. Plus, the Christmas train's neat. I like a caboose on a train. Not everybody puts them on anymore, and, they don't put them on trains anymore, but why would you not have a caboose? That's just silly. And then at another booth, they had another Christmas car, and I got it to go with those. That's in scale. All of this is in scale, and I had to have this. I thought it'd be really cute for Rex. I only wanted the one. I ended up getting two. I was going to give one away, and I kind of changed my mind. So I don't know what I'm doing, but these are...
And they're HO scale.
These are HO scale, yes. That's why I might not keep them. But they're cute accessory for a boy Blythe. Just adorable for a boy Blythe. And I have Robert, who was my first face-up, Rex, Roman, Ricky, and now another R, who's probably going to be Randy, but I'm not sure. Then I stumbled across this older gentleman. He was so nice. And I was looking at his trains, and he had these dolls, and I was looking at them. They have the sleepy eyes. These are old dolls. These are the kind my sister had in the 1950s. This one does not have the sleepy eye, but look at the little stand. Just a cute old little doll, and I wasn't going to get him. And I was looking at him, and I think they were in a box that said $1 each, and I thought, I might know a dolly friend that would like to have these, that collects them. And then he said, I'll sell you 3 for $1. And I said, yeah, I'll do that. So he picked up the little teddy bear, and I said, oh no, I wanted the dolls. Would that be okay? And he grinned, and he gave me all of them for $1. So I was just thrilled. Darren and I should say, are setting up a G scale, which is quite large, and the G stands for garden. We're setting it up outside, and this gentleman had this car marked, I think it was $35, $40, but somebody broke a piece off. Well, I have super glue, and he had marked it down, so I was interested mostly in, what did I just say? I'm like, before we went, I'm like, Darren, do we have a red caboose for our train? He's like, I don't think so. I've got a blue caboose and something else. I'm like, we have a red caboose? So I got these two. And didn't I get something else there? Guess not.
Nope, that was it.
I got these two, and I made a deal on them. I think I offered him, I don't know, $25, $30, and I got them both. And this is all very, very, very cool. On the way home, Darren stopped at a thrift store, let me come around. I found this at Goodwill, and I have been looking at these jewelry boxes for my Blythe house. This one, I can't tell you how nice this is. It is handcrafted. It is literally handcrafted, and it's heavy. And you know the best part? It's cedar. I mean, you can smell the cedar, and that repels bugs and rodents, which I don't have those, but I don't want those. And if you put this in your little house, it'll repel them there too. All of the little drawers have the felt inside. Really cute for shoes and jewelry and accessories for your Blythe dolls in their bedroom. Oh, has to go in a certain way, handcrafted. This is, I love it. I absolutely love it. What I want Darren to do, this is an extra drawer. What I want Darren to do is take this piece out and add a pull for hanging clothes in there. It is the cutest thing. And it's heavy. It's real heavy. I paid, the magic number at Goodwill now is $7.57, I think it is. Something like that. $7.37, I think. But, they do fall out if you tilt it forward. But I just thought this was the coolest thing for my Blythe house. And we're going to, it smells cedar after it all comes out. It just smells so good. People pay tens of thousands of dollars to get cedar closets for their clothes. especially people who pay a lot for their clothing, but then they whine about, you know, the cedar smell on their clothes. I hope this has high shine. I'm not sure the lighting's going to show it. These are the two cars I have ready for my glitter train in scale. This is my engine. It was green with silver top. And this is what I've done so far. I'll show you that as we go. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. We really do appreciate every watch, every comment, every like, and every subscription. Thank you so much. Have a good day, and I hope you've enjoyed this video.